I started my work June 15. Now it's July 12.
10.
July 10. That's almost 1 month, right? But the payroll, like June 15 to June 30, that's cut off. So I got my first payday.
First check salary day.
Yes. So 15 days of work. So I received my salary today. First salary in the Czech Republic. And then I want to treat them for
Dinner.
dinner. Is that dinner for you here?
Yeah, unless you go, like, for example, let's say that we celebrate and we go to restaurant for dinner, that's a different dinner. You're gonna have a hot, full meal. But usually what we have what we have for dinner in Czech Republic, it's just like a cup of tea or something else, some kind of drink plus bread.
Yeah.
Bread, like sandwiches.
So yes, I'm going to treat them for sandwiches. So we are going to Globus to buy.
The first stop is we're gonna drop off Sissy because her fur is already long.
And it's summer, so she
And-
needs
Fur cut.
fur cut.
Fur cut. Because another hot wave is coming to Czech Republic. Oh, heat wave is coming to Czech Republic. Thank you, Sophia.
Yes. Yeah, so I'm so happy that I received my first salary in Czech Republic. Yeah, so I checked my bank account. Anyway, RJ texted me, "Hey, we have a salary day today." So I checked my bank, and yeah, and I got mine.
Wow.
Yeah,
How nice, right?
how wonderful.
Yeah.
So okay, so let's treat them. Let's buy sandwiches and Globus. Thank God for the blessing. So these are the sandwiches that we're going to buy for them. Yan ang masarap yung bagel. Si Serim. Masarap yan. Okay.
I need to buy one.
I wanna try this one. I wanna try this one. What do you think? This one is good?
Which one? There's so many things.
This one, this one, this one.
Then why not try them? You're
Huh?
locked in?
Huh?
You're locked in?
No, that's not good cake. So, sabi ko kaya nabili pa tayo ng cake para pagkatapos ng sandwich, magki-cake sila. How about this one? This one.
This one is really like a very watery. We have this one, it's like a block.
This one, that one, the big one. Yeah.
How very expensive. It's like this one costs 220 crowns, 20 pounds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's okay. How about that? Sasha
Oh, there's
Dort.
more there, there's more there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's also 20 crowns, 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think it's good?
So pick this one or choose.
My concern if maybe they don't like it.
No, the Monica likes this one.
Alright.
And Helen. And
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Sophie.
Yeah, so we go cake and sandwiches.
Okay, we go for the cosmetic. Sophia wants cosmetic, yeah?
Okay.
So are you gonna be here?
Yeah. And choose something for myself. Okay. Mas masarap daw ito, oh. Sabi ni Hana. So, papalitan ata nila. Oh, it's up to you. You are the ones gonna eat. So, I'm just gonna pay. You know, it's my payday. Pinkay, this is the best sandwich.
Because you're hungry
No,
and you're starving.
the money which I
And
the money which I bought for this
is it worth it?
is the sweat and blood.
Yeah.
You know, at work I scratched my finger there, so there was blood, and I sweat a lot there.
But you know you have another job that earns like 3 or 4 times more money than
Somebody's
you work.
playing with the car, no? There. You see?
Oh,
Wow. It's a big child.
Up. Hindi, pero literal masarap yung sandwich na to. Let's go home para ibigay kay Milan kay Helen tong sandwiches. Para makakain na rin sila ng ating pinaguran. Ayan. So, ayan na. Papakain si Sofia ng sandwich at saka cake. Okay. Yan. Mukhang nasa loob na sila. So, tingnan natin kung asan na sila. Are they in the pergola? Huh?
Are they there?
No. Bisita nila, oh. Kunich, ya kunich. Sabi ko siya tapos akong kumain. Yeah. Then cake. I ate mine in the car. Prosim.
Awesome.
It looks like you exchanged the big one to smaller one.
No, but because
But this is delicious cake. Oh.
Sofie, to je pro tebe, ne?
Ito, nagpa-bake uli ako kay Sofia ng tawag ko rito parang cupcake eh. Kaya lang dito sa bowl niya, binake. Araw-araw nagpapabake ako nito kay Sofia. So, healthy to, no sugar, pure cacao. Pinalagyan ko yun ng 85% dark chocolate, banana, egg, and pinagrind ko yung oat. Yan ang inhalo ko. So, yung oat para siyang naging harina. Ayos! Siupaw ni Mamingka. Kuan yun. Nedlik. Gawa sa harina yon. Tapos nilagyan ng sweet compote inside. Pag mamaya pagkain, bibiyakin yon. Tapos with melted butter and tapos i-sprinkle nila ng powder sugar. Pero hindi ako kumakain yan. Masyadong sweet. Tingnan natin ang weather natin ngayon. Sobrang ganda. Ngayon ay Saturday. So, andito sila lahat sa bahay. Ayan. Gandang araw. Pero yung dampi ng hangin malamig. So, sabi sa weather forecast, baka next week may heat wave na naman. Huwag naman sana. So, dito lang kami ni Pinkay sa sala tapos nang maglinis siguro. And tapos siyang mag-bake for me. That's delicious. I always have that after my lunch. So parang ginagawa ko siyang dessert. So yun, tahimik kayo ng bahay kasi Saturday. So, hindi naman rest day. Ang rest day talaga rito ng pamilya, Sunday. Wala talaga silang ginagawa buong Sunday. Kahit konting gawain, pag Sunday wala. Saturday, usually linis. Pero si Hana nasa taas. Nag-ayos ng mga plantsahin. So, tapos na kaming maglinis. Yun lang. Of course, si Japit Boy, back to work tomorrow, evening. Pang night shift ako. At, yeah, let's get it on.
How do you feel you got your first paycheck?
So happy. Very happy. I thank God for this new blessing. And then, yeah, 15 days work. June 15 to June 30. Yan ang sinahod ko kahapon. Hindi ko akalain na medyo may kalakihan. Sabi ni RJ baka dahil may mga bonuses, yung performance bonuses. So tingnan ko daw yung payslip ko pag makuha ko baka bukas or pagpasok ko or Monday. So tingnan ko kung ano yung bakit lumaki ng ganon ang aking sweldo. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na ganon kalaki. Kasi 15 days work lang eh. Siguro nga dahil may mga bonuses. So, performance bonus ang tawag nila doon. Baka nasama tayo sa performance bonus. Pag ni Japit Boy na performance bonus. Anyway, yeah. So, importante yung unang sweldo natin, yung first fruit of our labor. Ibinahagi natin kung sino yung dapat bahagian. So, some of those earnings goes to the Philippines. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung saan. Pero may mga taong nangailangan ng pera. So, dapat nating tulungan. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, pag may tinatanggap na blessing, dapat share your blessing. So, the blessing from above will keep flowing. Parang ganun lang yan, no? Above, share. Yan. Huwag magdamot. Huwag tayong magdamot. Okay? So, yan. Panangalian time. Time is 11:30. Pero hindi pa ako nakaramdam ng gutom. Mas excited akong kainin yung binake ni Sofia sa akin. Masarap si Sofia mag-bake, promise. She's really good at baking. May natira pa kasi. Hindi kaagad nila naubos kahapon. Masarap tong cake na to talaga. Yan. Kaya lang, sobrang tamis. So sweet.
I finished Sophia's one.
Itong akin. More than half ang nakain ko. But ito ang healthy. Kasi nga, walang sugar to. Yung sugar, natural galing sa banana. May oat. Nilagyan ng Sophia ng oat. Kiniling niya muna yung oat. But ang pinakamasarap dito, yung banana. Tapos nilagyan niya ng egg, nilagyan niya ng pure cacao, at saka 85% dark chocolate. Yan. More than half ang aking nakain. Yan ang aking pamatay sa craving ko sa mga sweets. So, time is 1:20 ng hapon. Katapos lang namin mag-lunch, dessert. So, time to rest.
The garlic. Harvesting of garlic. Beautiful, beautiful weather.
Relaxing in the garden. Nice weather. Nothing to do. It's Saturday. Sitting down in the garden. And beautiful Sophia. Sisi. Hi Sisi. Relax si Sisi ah. Yan, wala na siyang yung thick balahibo. Yan. Ginupitan siya kahapon. Yan yung binabukuan ni Mamingka na garlic na na-harvest nila dyan sa garden. Okay. So dahil magandang panahon, dito nga lang kami sa pergola, nagre-relax dito. Paupo-upo rito. Dahil yung dampi ng hangin ay medyo malamig kahit may sikat ng araw. So yan muna ang update namin sa inyo, okay? See you next time.